everyone, Noelle from Beauty Vice. I am so excited today because I'm going to show you guys, and not unboxing, but an opening of a new hair dryer that we just got from Elchim. And these are special edition. They're called 8th Sense, and they are digital hair dryers. And as you can see, they come in these beautiful, like cute little bags, which I think is adorable. The one that I am going to keep is this one, and it's red. How cute is that? It's called the lipstick red. So I'm going to open up one of the bags for you and show you guys exactly what you're gonna get when you order yours. I think it's such a cute product, and it's a great hair dryer. I myself already have an Elchim, and I use it a good 2 times a week, and I've had mine for about 3 years, and it's still going strong. It does not, it does not damage your hair. It's a great hair dryer. It's beautiful. So it does look nice if you have it out. And I'm so excited for you guys to see this. So let's watch as I open it up. Here we go. And this is the Elchim Milano 8th Sense. Now I'm going to open up the Red Lipstick Limited Edition. And as you can see, this is a digital hair dryer. Now it does come in this cute case. So when you receive this, you will take that off, comes sealed. You get this nice little bag that if you travel or just anything, I just think it's very cute. We're going to open it up. And when you open it up, you're gonna take out your Elchim. Here it is, ta-da! So this is going to be your hair dryer. And again, this is exactly what you're going to see when you open up the case. It comes in another case, which is just the carry bag. And again, this color, I'm so excited. This will be the first time I see it as well. It is the lipstick red. Look at this. This is beautiful. At least I think it's beautiful. This is the lipstick red. It's a glossy red color dryer. And you have your cold button. And here we go. You put it on or off. The reason that it's digital is because instead of having this knob, which the regular Elchim will have this here as well, that you can control the temperature. On this one, you're just gonna go touch the black button to go down, make it cooler, or the red one to make it hotter. And as you can see, it's a very beautiful presentation. It's got the stainless steel, your super shiny red. I am in love with this. Along with your hair dryer, you of course get your Elchim papers. We always tell everyone, please fill out the guarantee, the warranty papers. It's so important. Then you will get a black nozzle for when you're blow drying. And you get a second one. So you have I'll show you the difference. You have 2 nozzles for the end. You have the longer one and the shorter one. And that's it. This is what you will be getting in your Elchim Limited Edition 8th Sense blow dryer kit. And we are going to have this available in red as well as in black with copper, which is also absolutely beautiful. But imagine, I don't need 2 hair dryers like that. But if you prefer the black, that would be a matte black with these beautiful copper finishing. Also absolutely beautiful. So again, you can see it has 36 heat and speed settings to drying programs and digital power regulation, which is what I just showed you. So you have your off and on button, and then here you can control the temperature. You have your quick cool for when you want to set your style. That's it. What I like about the Elchim is this is super easy to take out and you clean. You want to make sure you clean that quite often. That will make a big difference in how long your blow dryer will last. So again, this is the beautiful red lipstick edition, which is the one that I'm choosing. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a great gift for someone, or just, you know, if you want to treat yourself like I am, there you go. And it comes in this cute little case. I mean, I love this. You can use this for so much. Even if you want to put your blow dryer, you're traveling, you put your blow dryer, you put your brushes, and you put your hair products in there, and technically, you know, all of your hair needs could be right here in one bag. It's just a great, great, great bag. You also get the 2 nozzles. And again, this beautiful, beautiful dryer. So there you go. I hope you like to watch the unboxing, opening of the Elchim 8th Sense blow dryer. I'm very excited to try this. Again, I have been using Elchim for years now, and I absolutely love the product. It lasts so long. If you clean that back barrel, this product will last you. Usually when these blow dryers give out on you, it's because that back barrel, this part, is not being clean. And it's so easy. You unwind it, you get it, and you just clean it out. It's so, so easy to do. But they last long. They're beautiful in presentation. This one in particular, I just find this red color to be great. And again, you get this beautiful bag that I think is great for when you travel, and you can put all of your hair care needs in it. And it's just an awesome gift for yourself or anyone. So I hope you like my presentation today. Shop soon. This will be available within the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks at beautyvice.com. Stay happy, stay beautiful, stay safe. Bye.